falling apart.
You can sense the Petra's consent. None of this would have happened if we hadn't been shut down.
But you're heroes. You can't let some politicians tell you what to do. That's not Overwatch, I believe. They got me good.
Oh, yeah, sure, man. Okay, okay. Good one, dude.
Hi.
Funny. Guys, I have a script in my head, okay? When I meet somebody, I roll a script.
Yeah, the interview.
Yeah, interview Andy.
Yeah.
Nice. You're very small.
Very small?
She's all the
Yeah.
I'm gonna put this on, alright? Give me a second here.
Nice. We have like a half fake fan. I like that.
Half fake fan.
Oh, it's half and half.
Yeah, no, huge fan.
Well, what are you guys doing? Just hanging out, dude? That's it?
Yeah, like we can't get anywhere. Like we're not making that.
Oh, MO for the new model. Let me see.
Everyone ready?
Okay, that's not what I intended to do. Oh, dude. It's not, okay, well.
That's the command ship.
Mexican Kevin, bro.
What's the name?
Mexican Kevin.
Oh, okay, that's cool, man.
Alright, you want a filter? Maybe
Sure.
the
No, that's fine. Just do whatever you want.
Alright, bro.
Flip it. Oh, I think your phone broke. I think it just got bogged. Is it out of battery?
I don't know, man. Bad timing.
Okay, well, I'll put my thumbs up, and now you have a frame. Look, you have a frame. You good?
There's a lot of great streamers too, like
League now. Stream.
Oh, and you're Australian.
What?
You're Australia, right?
No.
Where are you from?
Pennsylvania.
Europe?
some egg rolls. I found the best egg roll joint in the fucking goddamn Central Hemisphere, whatever the fuck Texas is. I get a call from the driver. Hey, I came to the address. I'm like, okay. He's like, you're not here. I'm like, isn't the point of this app to deliver it from the restaurant to my door? The dude literally parked on the side of the street outside of the entire complex. He wanted me to walk out, which is like a 10-minute walk. If I was going to walk 10 minutes, I would have rather gone into my fucking car, jerked my dick off, and got to the restaurant myself. Then he says, if you want your food, come get it. If you don't, you're not getting your food. And that pissed me off, because now he's leveraging my fucking food. And when you leverage my food, I'd rather fucking starve than give in to these fucking antics. So I told him to go fucking. Anime is good. Do you understand?
You should put on some makeup. Look, Bob. I like you as a person, but I just can't right now. True. Fuck me.
I'll wear my favorite skirt. Oops, my
Ben, you sick fuck!
There you are. Oh
What the
man,
fuck?
this must be my brother's fault.
What are you doing, Stepbro?
Rosie loves painting with wide strokes. So Ben prepared a whole bucket of paint for her. Attach a wall paint sticker to a plastic bucket.
Walk. Come on, Raj. Let's be real here,
Okay.
all right?
All right.
I would never trust anyone on this website. Now, Mixer,
Oh?
I might trust some people there, but I wouldn't.
Oh my gosh,
I don't know. I would never trust a girl on Twitch
Yeah, this
for a
is the
life
same
partner
show.
just when I just don't see it.
He said, wait, he said what?
I don't know. I would never trust a girl on Twitch for a life partner just when I just don't see it.
Well, that sucks a little bit.
But
All right, well,
and that's the tea.
Interesting.
What's it? Walk.
This guy.
Thank you so much.
Let's see how long it takes to get hit offline.
Kill.exe, please. I would appreciate that.
He says he gets a Big Mac with mayo.
No,
Ooh.
did you say one of your favorite burgers of all time is a Big Mac?
Yeah.
Damn.
I love it. The simplicity. It's a great burger. The meat to bread ratio, the sauce on there. It's delicious, man.
The meat to bread ratio.
I'm
Does
about
it have
to-
an extra bun in the middle?
It's
I'm
got
about
like
to-
13
yeah.
pieces of fucking bread on it.
Listen, motherfucker.
It's
What
got
are you
enough
talking about?
bread that fucking all the ducks in the northwest area will be fine for like a year.
It's a great sandwich. What are you talking about?
It's not a great sandwich.
You're just a great big hater.
I'm just saying.
Can Shroud speak on Twitch? Nope. I have to keep him muted the whole time. Busted engine. Did Jordan win though? I think he won. I'll take a second. Not bad considering. If we...
Oh, he's hurt. Oh, we got him. Did we get him?
You guys didn't get this Rostov?
No, I don't think you got him. Oh, nope. There, you got him.
He's down, brother.
Tactical. Hurry up, hurry up. More might be coming, man. More might be coming. Get him, get him. You are greedy motherfuckers, man. Greedy motherfuckers.
Yep. Greedy as fuck.
Come on, man.
When's the last time you read a book? Now, imagine thinking a 5-minute video is a book. All I'm saying is, for starters, it's disrespectful. And secondly, I want you guys to have a longer attention span than that of a goldfish. I'm gonna start calling you guys goldfishes when you piss me off. Freaking goldfishes.
Mouse Chi Van Don donated $5. You tell him, Chief.
For real though. Anywho's, your loss, truly.
Way. I don't like.
Careful, it could be poisoned.
I don't like caramel. Ooh. That.
Oh yeah, suck that caramel off.
Great, shut the fuck up.
What? What? Suck the caramel off. What's wrong with that?
Why don't you?
Why are you making everything sexual, huh? Got a little problem here?
Yeah.
You know who that is?
This is Sydney. She's a white bird.
What kind of bird is she, Matt?
She's a canary.
He's so funny, aren't you? He's so
Good one, Matt.
Who's in my place? I really might tap real estate on my face.
I'm not gonna do that.
Why?
I don't want to.
Why? Why? Okay, then at
Is
least go
that
to the
Nancy
target
on
store
a phone call right now? I thought she lost her job and was crying.
फोन करना ला बोल रहे नहीं बात करने सुन रही है बुढ़िया चोदी बात ही करते चले जा जा
I thought she lost her job.
No, she is not Nancy. She is some. Listen to me, ma'am.
Can
Forget
I talk
about
to Nancy, please?
No, she is crying.
Okay, let me talk. I want to talk to Nancy. I need to talk to her before I do this.
Listen to me first, ma'am.
If you
won't
let
listen
me
to
talk
me, ma'am,
Nancy, I will not be giving you anything.
6 months around.
And how many SSL guard firewalls have you sold, young man?
Sir, I never sold any of them. It is just your issue.
Oh, I was going to say for a minute I might believe that, but I think I understand what you're saying now. So you're saying that every time you connect to someone's computer, you don't sell them the same exact thing that's written down on a piece of paper that your boss gave to you 6 months ago when you signed up for the illegitimate call center pretending to be Hewlett Packard, when in reality you're just some guy pretending to have a bunch of problems to sell bogus software that an old man is his computer?
Hey, shh. Oh, this, ma'am, this is probably the hack. This guy is probably the guy who's on your computer right now. You probably need to hang up. Hang up the phone, ma'am. Hang up the phone. Hup, hup.
Come on.
Come on, turn the radio on. It's Friday night and I won't be long. Gotta do my hair, put my makeup on. It's Friday night and I won't be long till I hit the dance floor. Hit the dance floor and I got all I need. No, I ain't got cash. I ain't got cash, but I got you, baby.
Baby, I don't need no dollar bills to have fun tonight.
Fun tonight. I love cheap thrills, baby.
I don't need dollar bills tonight. I love cheap thrills, but I don't need no money.
Yeah, the lyrics are very nice. You feel like dancing.
I do feel like dancing. I do. I don't need no dollar bills tonight to have fun.
Yeah.
Alexa, pause. That's a good one. That really is.
Okay.